Carbide burrs, those versatile tungsten carbide rotary tools typically used for precision grinding and shaping, unlock a world of creative upcycling possibilities by enabling makers to repurpose everyday scrap and discarded items into functional art, decor, or practical objects, breathing new life into materials that might otherwise end up in landfills. Upcycling with carbide burrs harnesses their ability to remove, texture, and refine at controlled depths, 0.01 to 0.05 inches per pass, on a rotary tool like a Dremel at 8,000 to 15,000 RPM, allowing for intricate modifications without advanced equipment. Brainstorming ideas. Consider transforming scrap metal from old hardware into abstract sculptures, repurposing wooden pallets into custom coasters with engraved designs, or even upcycling glass bottles into textured vases. Each project emphasizes sustainability by reducing waste while fostering creativity. With the burrs' fluted heads, cylindrical for smoothing, cone for detailing, providing the precision to elevate junk into jewels. These hacks not only save money, a $20 burr set can handle dozens of projects, but also promote eco-conscious crafting, turning household clutter into personalized treasures through step-by-step adaptations that blend artistry with utility. One compelling upcycling idea involves transforming scrap metal, such as discarded nails, bolts, or sheet remnants from plumbing or automotive parts, into abstract wall art, where carbide burrs sculpt organic forms from rigid waste, evoking modern industrial aesthetics reminiscent of artists like David Smith. Verbally walking through the modification steps, begin by collecting and sorting scraps, selecting pieces with interesting shapes, e.g., a bent bolt for a curved element, and cleaning them with a wire brush to remove rust or grease. Secure a base sheet, like 18-gauge steel, in a vise. Then use a cylindrical burr, 1/4 inch diameter, single-cut flutes, at 10,000 RPM for initial roughing, grinding away excess edges in linear passes, 0.02 inch depth, to create a canvas-like surface, pausing every 30 seconds to clear metal shavings with compressed air and cool the piece to prevent warping. Next, attach smaller scraps with weld or epoxy, then switch to a flame-shaped burr, 3/16 inch taper, double cut for smoother blending, to contour joints and add texture, angling the tool at 45 degrees for feathering that merges elements seamlessly, building layers of depth, 0.01 inch increments, to simulate movement or shadow play. For detailing, employ a pointed cone burr, 1/8 inch tip, to etch patterns like abstract lines or motifs, orbiting the tip in microcircles for 0.005 inch grooves that catch light dynamically. Finish by polishing high spots with a fine ball-nosed burr, 1/16 inch, diamond-coated, at 12,000 RPM, buffing to a satin sheen. This step-by-step narration turns industrial discards into a hanging sculpture, where the burr's precision honors the metal's history while creating something new and meaningful. Support with a conceptual reuse diagram. Envision a before and after flowchart, left side showing scattered metal scraps as jagged icons, bolt, nail, sheet, piled in a bin, arrows flowing rightward through roughing, cylindrical burr path grinding the base, assembly and contouring, flame burr blending attached pieces into a unified form, and detailing and polish, cone and ball burrs adding lines and shine, culminating in a mounted wall art silhouette with depth shading, illustrating the transformation from chaos to cohesive creation. Another brainstormed upcycling project repurposes old wooden pallets or furniture scraps into personalized coasters or trivets, where carbide burrs engrave custom designs and add ergonomic edges, infusing rustic charm with modern functionality for home decor. Verbal steps for modification. Source weathered pallet wood, cutting squares, 4 by 4 inches, with a saw and sanding lightly to remove splinters. Clamp one square securely, then use an oval burr, 1/4 inch head, single-cut flutes, at 7,000 RPM for edge rounding. Sweeping in curved passes, 0.03 inch depth, to bevel corners safely and prevent splintering. The burr's rounded profile following the wood grain for a natural flow that enhances grip without sharpness. For engraving, sketch a motif like initials or geometric patterns with a pencil, then engage a tree-shaped burr, 1/8-inch taper, double cut for fine control, to carve outlines, inserting the point and twisting in shallow orbits, 0.005-inch depth, to build recessed designs that hold coasters steady on tables, pausing to brush away sawdust and check symmetry with a square. Add texture by switching to a ball-nosed burr for stippling backgrounds, varying pressure for depth variation that creates subtle relief, evoking wood's organic texture. Seal with polyurethane for protection, buffing lightly to highlight the burr's work. This narrative guides the upcycling from discarded lumber to heirloom trivets, where the burr's adaptability turns rough wood into polished, personalized pieces. Conceptual reuse diagram. Picture a linear progression sketch, starting left with a broken pallet plank icon, arrowed to cutting and clamping, saw and vise symbols, then edge rounding, oval burr curving the square's perimeter, engraving motifs, tree burr spiraling into letters, and texturing and sealing, ball burr dotting surfaces, brush applying finish, ending right in a stack of engraved coasters, with proportional depth lines showing the burr's layered contribution to the final functional art. For a more whimsical hack, upcycle glass bottles or jars into textured vases or candle holders using carbide burrs to etch decorative patterns that diffuse light beautifully, repurposing household recyclables into ambient decor. Step-by-step verbal adaptation. Select a clean, empty bottle, e.g., wine or mason jar, wrapping it in masking tape for grip and stability. Choose a diamond-coated cone burr, 1/16-inch tip, for glass's hardness, Mohs 5.5, operating at 6,000 RPM to minimize cracking risks from heat. Start with light, orbiting passes, 0.001-inch depth. Along sketched vine or geometric lines, the burr's fine grit abrading silica without shattering, rotating the bottle slowly for even coverage, and quenching in water every 10 seconds to dissipate localized heat, under 100 degrees Celsius. For broader textures, switch to a cylindrical burr, 1/8-inch, diamond-coated, to create frosted bands, linear strokes feathering the surface for a soft glow effect. Remove tape, clean with soapy water, and test with a candle to admire the light play. This process narrates the bottle's rebirth from trash to treasure, the burr's precision etching patterns that transform ordinary glass into luminous art. Illustrative reuse diagram. Conceptualize a vertical before-after panel, top showing a plain bottle icon in a recycling bin, downward arrows through taping and sketching, tape wrap and line drawing, etching patterns, cone burr spiraling vines on the cylinder, texturing bands, cylindrical burr striping the base, and finishing, clean bottle with light rays diffusing through etchings, bottom panel a glowing vase with flame icon, depth shading emphasizing the burr's role in creating translucent, artistic depth. Expanding the brainstorm, upcycle old keys or hardware into keychain fobs or ornaments, where carbide burrs personalize with engravings and shapes, turning forgotten items into meaningful accessories. Verbal steps. Gather keys, drilling small holes if needed for chains. Clamp in a soft vise using a pointed cone burr, 1/32-inch tip, double cut, at 9,000 pm to engrave names or symbols on the bow. Precise orbits, 0.002-inch depth. Carving letters without piercing the metal thickness, 0.06 inches. For shaping, a ball-nosed burr rounds edges for comfort. Light passes blending for a polished feel. Attach chain and seal with clear coat. This hack narrates utility to sentiment, the burr's fineness adding custom flair. Diagram. Horizontal flow from left key icon to clamping and engraving. Cone path on bow. Shaping edges, ball rounding. Right fob with chain, lines showing personalization depth. These creative upcycling projects with carbide burrs inspire sustainable innovation, from scrap metal art to textured glass. Each brainstormed idea detailed through verbal modification steps that guide safe, precise transformations. Conceptual reuse diagrams visualize the journey from waste to wonder, emphasizing the burr's role in empowering eco-friendly crafting that turns the ordinary into the extraordinary.